It was a beautiful blue day on the island of Sodor. At Knapford Station, everybody was very excited for the 2023 annual Hot Wheels road race. "2023 annual Hot Wheels road race. Pah! Everybody knows that I'm the fastest vehicle on this island."
I'll stop your complaining, Gordon. If anything, I bet the Team Hot Wheels might even break your world record. How would you like that?
Oh, the indignity.
Speaking of which, here they come now.
As soon as the Hot Wheels team arrived, Thomas presented them with a warm greeting.
Good morning. My name is Thomas the Tank Engine. What's your names? I'm glad you asked. My name is Gage.
But that's not all, my friend.
Meet my other friends, such as Wyatt, Rhett, and Brandon. And together, we're Team Hot Wheels, Defenders of the Road. It sure is lovely to meet you, fellas. Good luck on the racetrack today, but I must warn you that it's not a good idea to be stuck on the railway lines. It can be a very dangerous place for people.
Well, try telling that to the notorious Greasebeard.
Who?
You know, Greasebeard, our longtime rival. He'll only do whatever it takes to start hogging the streets from any other driver in the world. And trust me when I say that he makes no promises.
I see. Also, I hope you don't mind who our official will be once the race begins.
Guess who?
Right, on your marks, get set.
Now where do they think they're off to, eh? Not to mention how lost I am now. Whatever. I'll just look for directions anyway. Yes, folks, it looks like Team Hot Wheels are in the lead, and the disappearance of Greasebeard is quite questionable if you ask me.
So far, so good, huh? Save your breath, Woodpecker. There's always a major difference between the losers and the winners. Yeah, and when it comes to road and/or railroad racing, I would always have my thoughts about the big blue engine with the number 4 and how he's supposed to be the fastest vehicle on this island. Okay, maybe it's best to not keep bad-mouthing the big guy. I mean, when somebody starts rambling on and on about how they can prove to be as good as Gordon, he usually goes into one of his trademark rants.
That's a good way to bloody kill somebody!
Those little rascals have got to be around here somewhere. I can smell it. Nuts and bolts.
Back at Knapford, everyone was waiting anxiously for the other racers. James specifically was impatient. I'm sorry, this is taking way too long. I'm out of here. Suddenly, without warning, everyone heard a mysterious noise. Wow, what a great race out there, fellas. Perhaps maybe someday that your road racing skills might even break Gordon's yearly world record. Hey, fellas, I hope you don't mind me saying this, but I have the strangest feeling that somehow we have forgotten somebody.
Serves you right, you crazy hot rodder.